Backyard Outdoors here. Welcome back to the channel. Dad just picked me up from work. Got Mom and Dad here. Today we're going into the woods, into our remote cabin in back of Old Man's Pond. Literally not a cabin like a mile near ours. It's in the middle of nowhere. Very remote spot. It's going to be a fun weekend. Yeah, it's extremely windy on this lake today, and the waves are not in our favor. They're blowing straight side on. That's going to be really hard to ride the waves like that. It's an absolute beautiful spot, guys. All right, so me and Dad decided we're going to walk along the rocks, which is a decent walk. Bring as much as we can for the first trip, the essentials. And in the evening, when the wind dies down a little bit, we'll walk back, probably through the trail that we cut out, and then take the boat back. It don't look bad on video at all. Like, it literally looks completely fine. But out in the open there's bad whitecaps. And it's only a 12-foot aluminum rate, so rather be safe than sorry. These berries right here are bumbleberries, what they're called in Newfoundland. Nice one here, look. You actually got more sour raspberry, a bit more juicy. These bumbleberries are absolutely everywhere. All right, so as we're walking down to the cabin, the wind in this cove died down big time. So me and Dad's gonna swing on back and get the boat. Once you drop off a few things you already have. There's no good to turn around now. We're pretty well there, so. Absolutely gorgeous here though, guys. Me and Dad gotta fix up this slipway even before we goes and gets the boat. That rock right there, I always called that the fishing rock. Dropped off a little bit out there, and I've got some big trout off just in front of the cabin. But my favorite spot to go is in off the dam. The view that I got from the cabin, that looks awesome. Honestly, I haven't even seen this yet. Last year Dad was in here and scrapped some pallet boards that he got from work, and he did a beautiful job with it. Very nice. Give a little tour of the cabin. Holy cow, it's hot up here. And this is the upstairs loft. Whew, I need to open that window. Yeah guys, me and Dad's gonna get the boat there now. The wind's not bad now, and it's also blowing straight towards us. He's gonna always slip up here now. Alright boys, now me and Dad's just walking through this old trail that he cut out. Scatter a year ago now. All right, buzz, Dad rigged up this little hose. Now we have clean running water coming out of a little brook. We're gonna walk up and show you there now. That's the dam that Dad got built up top. 4 logs he put up there. That's cool, man. That's where we're getting our running water from the cabin. This is what Mom just cooked up. Some fried potatoes with some gravy and some baked chicken thighs with some gravy. Absolute gorgeous night. The moon is so bright. Dad got some bacon on. We're also gonna cook some fresh eggs with it from the coop. Me and Dad are just clearing up all these big rocks, making a little breakwater. That's all the rocks we threw over there from last year. But the sand washed away, I guess, and all the rocks are back again. So the breakwater's making it so far. Perfect. That's deep down there. Don't look at this, at least up to my chest. Sure, a lot of rocks moved today. Swing up to the dam. Try for a trout, or somewhere around the pond anyway. Having a little barbecue before the fishing trip now. Now boys, that's a proper feed. Like I said, we're gonna have this lunch. We're gonna go out and boat. Try out somewhere in the pond for a nice trout. Dad's just making us some stuffed pork loin. Stuffing it with some homemade dressing with some onions. Seasoned with some salt and pepper and some garlic powder. And a little bit of oil. We're gonna bake it in this oven. It's gonna be delicious. Just got a little orange Lucky Strike spinner with a little bit of worm and some bacon fat for bait. There's a dam down right here. I've always did half decent in this spot, so I'm gonna try top water for a little bit. Guys, we're not getting a whole lot out here this evening, so we're gonna swing on back, have some supper. hour-long game of 301s. Supper is ready. Some stuffed pork loin, baked with some gravy, mac and cheese, some macaroni salad. Me and Dad got some eel lines set out. Check them in the morning. Swinging down here to check the eel lines right quick. They haven't sat overnight. I used some old dead worm and some bacon fat. Suppose soon enough we're all gonna head out Sunday morning now, so. I was gonna guess there's nothing that moldable. It's that windy. I'd say the lure is like right in front of me somewhere. Oh wait. Is that bottom? I think I have bottom. I definitely have bottom. Check this one, I suppose. Probably gonna be bottom again. Alright guys, we just made it back to the truck, got everything all packed up. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.